Hi guys, so today I will be doing a fast house tour. Don't mind how this house is looking. We are almost going out and I just said to show people what the apartment looks like. So let's go. So that's the entrance, right? If you come in through that door, that entrance, that's the entrance door. If you come in through that door, you come right here. The first place you're gonna see is the kitchen. Oh, our pot is open. Don't worry, I'm waiting for you. I've got a comforter. So guys, the first place you're gonna see is the kitchen. Don't mind how everywhere is looking. Like I said, we are rushing to go out. So this is the kitchen area. It has got a gas cooker, the microwave, the cupboards, this fridge, and nothing basically is happening in this kitchen area, but it's just there anyways with some dark cupboards. It's not bad. Then we have this dining area. This is the TV console, the TV, that one, and then the couch is not bad, and that's the center table. That's the who enjoys himself. The real boss baby, enjoying himself. So guys, that's Muna, and then we have this lovely curtain for airing the house. It's not bad. That's what our view is looking like anyways. The view is not bad at all, right? It's not bad. Yeah, that's the view. And then nothing basically. So if I come this way, this is basically what this whole house looks like. That's the living area, the kitchen, and the dining. So let's go to the rooms. I said I'm sorry, manage the house tour. So this is the room area. So if you come in here, you see this lovely if you come in here, you see this lovely is it hallway? Yeah, let's use the word hallway. And then it's leading to the first toilet. So the first toilet has got basically this toilet, and then the bathroom is here. And this is the bathroom. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad anyways. Yeah, that's the bathroom. It's not just bad, we just have to manage, right? So that's basically what this first toilet is looking like. Then when you come out, you will get to the first room, which is the children's room. La Hobby is dressing up. So this is the children's room, and it's not bad. We have this lovely couch here. Yeah. You also have a window to air the house. And then this lovely bed, not bad, and a wardrobe over there. Yeah, so this is the first room. This is what it's looking like. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Yep. Then if you walk out of that room, you come to the master's bedroom. Yeah, it is very spacious. I love the space. I love the bed. It's very spacious, right? So it's got a television as well. Yeah, and then this beautiful mirror that you can use to look at yourself. It's nice. And then it has got a window as well. The room is have a lot of airing. I don't know. Yeah, it has a window, and then it comes with this couch. Forget how everywhere is looking like. I love the bed. So if you come inside, you see a walk-in closet, which is also nice. Yeah, they tried. So you see this walk-in closet with this wardrobe. Yeah, with this wardrobe. It's not so fantastic, but then it's better than none. We didn't get to use it. Then this is the master's toilet. See the same thing with the other one, with a bathroom in there, right? So guys, basically this is the house, and it wasn't a bad experience in Lagos. Yeah, this is the house basically. Thank you guys for watching. When I said thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.